So why should you listen to me when it comes to email marketing? Just to share. First of all, I've been marketing online since 1997. I've been email marketing since 1999. I put up my first opt-in page in 2001 before they called it, I don't know what the fuck they're calling them today, lead magnets. So opt-in pages, 2001. I made my first million from email marketing in 2003. I wrote a book called The Ultimate Lead Generation Plan. And that's not one of those bullshit bestsellers. Number one when I launched my book was was Harry Potter. We knocked Harry Potter down off Amazon. So, it hit a bestseller from that, but we did it because I had everybody mail to the page to lift it up and make sales. We sold 15,000 copies in a day. Which is not like people buying 3 copies and all of a sudden you're a bestseller. I sent over 1 billion emails the last 18 years. I split test every single day. And in fact, I've done over 8,000 email split test rounds. I buy up to $250,000 of solo ads. I'm gonna get into this a little bit. I'm gonna go over 3 different ways that I get subscribers. So I'm gonna go through it. All strategies work today. 1 or 2 strategies when you're listening to that section, I just wanna say, listen through your own company ears. Like one might apply to your company, one might not apply to your company, but I guarantee you one of them will apply to everybody's company.